Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create or how to design characters for games with Leonardo AI. So the first thing you have to do is to create a very good prompt for your image. So I have gone ahead to ask ChatGPT to design something good for me, and look at the very good and detailed prompt skeletal base it gave me. Now it has gone ahead to create a sample character for me, and I will just copy it. Now this unique skeletal base is what you would use throughout your image generation process, where you'll be able to replace the information in the parentheses or brackets with your desired preference or choice. But since let me just go with what ChatGPT has generated for me, and I will click on the image generation model and wait for it. Now click and do this, paste it. Now I can click on the cinematic keynote model. Good. I can also, now what you do is to click on the model or presets option and choose the concept art. Once you've chosen that, go to the style and choose game concept or game concept 3D, or even game concept cartoon. Let's choose game concept 3D and click on generate. Let's see what it will give us. Now we wait. Now we can see the very beautiful image it has generated for us. This is just beautiful, very detailed, good. And that is how we can generate a video game character with Leonardo AI. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section below, and consider subscribing to this channel for more information like this. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.